Right now, inside your body, something subtle is happening that most people never notice. Your legs are moving, your heart is pumping, but beneath that familiar rhythm, hidden pathways are quietly activating. Fat stores that once seemed stubborn are suddenly receiving secret instructions, and your body is preparing to release energy in ways you didn't realize were possible. Most people think walking is just exercise, but what happens next will make you rethink that entirely. In the first few minutes, your body is like a massive, well-organized warehouse coming to life. Imagine rows of fat cells stacked neatly, each one a storage unit filled with energy. Your skeletal muscles are signaling, tiny messengers called myokines flowing out, whispering to the liver, fat tissue, and even your brain. These signals aren't loud, they're precise, coordinated. Your body isn't broken, it's intelligent, and it's beginning a process that transforms every step you take into a hidden metabolic symphony. As you settle into a steady pace, the earliest biological signals begin to show. Your heart rate increases slightly, and blood vessels expand like highways opening to more traffic. Oxygen flows more efficiently, energy molecules begin circulating, and fat cells start to register the incoming messages. Lipase enzymes, like small locksmiths, prepare to unlock stored fat. But here's the part most people miss. Your body doesn't just burn fat indiscriminately. It waits for the right cues. And right now, those cues are beginning. After about 5 minutes, a fascinating cascade begins. Your muscles release more myokines, each one a messenger with a specific role. Some target the liver, telling it to prepare energy reserves. Others signal fat cells, unlocking fatty acids that were dormant moments ago. Adrenaline spikes subtly, but not in a stressful way. It's a precise nudge, encouraging stored energy to flow where it's needed. This is where most people stop. But this is where it starts. The real transformation begins not at the surface, but deep inside. By 10 minutes, the effect amplifies. Fat cells once sealed off like secured warehouses start releasing their contents. Fatty acids flow into the bloodstream, glowing particles in your internal highways of blood, moving with purpose. Your muscles absorb them, mitochondria ignite, and energy is produced efficiently, almost like watching a factory come alive from the inside out. Blood flow intensifies, carrying oxygen, nutrients, and those critical signals throughout your body. Now watch this. The subtle internal choreography is astonishing. Every organ is communicating, adjusting, and responding in harmony. At around 15 minutes, your body reaches a peak of hidden activity. The fat-burning pathways are fully unlocked, internal signals are synchronized, and energy production is at a heightened, efficient level. Your brain notices too. Neurotransmitters send messages of alertness and clarity. Cortisol, the stress hormone, dips slightly, while dopamine and endorphins rise subtly, giving a sense of calm focus. And this changes everything. Your body has transitioned from a resting state to an active, intelligent energy processing system. After your walk, these changes don't vanish. Your body enters a phase of internal adaptation. Fat cells shrink slightly, readying themselves for the next session. Blood vessels remain more responsive. Oxygen delivery improves, and the enzymes involved in fat mobilization stay primed. Your metabolism isn't a simple on-off switch. It's a dynamic network adjusting to your habits, rewiring efficiency in small, cumulative steps. Most people misunderstand this process. They think fat loss is purely about calories, or that their body is fighting them. You're not fighting your body, it's responding, and intelligently so. Walking at a consistent pace isn't just exercise, it's a signal, a dialogue between muscles, fat, liver, heart, and brain. Every step communicates. Prepare, release, adapt, and your body listens. Research supports this subtle orchestrated response. Studies show that after just 15 minutes of moderate walking, lipolysis, the breakdown of fat, can increase measurably. Myokine signaling has been documented to improve insulin sensitivity and facilitate fat utilization, and the effects compound. Consistency rewires your internal systems, making them more efficient, more responsive, and more capable of handling stored energy effectively. What happens if you skip this habit? Your fat cells remain less responsive, blood flow doesn't get the gentle stimulation it needs, and those hidden metabolic pathways remain underutilized. Your body isn't broken, it's just waiting for the right cues. Subtle, regular activation, like a daily 15-minute walk, can prime your systems, while inactivity keeps them in a less flexible state. Consistency over weeks and months rewires your internal networks. Enzymes become more efficient at mobilizing fatty acids. Blood vessels remain responsive. Muscles and mitochondria communicate more seamlessly with the liver. Your internal metabolic system doesn't just burn fat, it anticipates energy needs, reallocates resources, and adapts intelligently. Your body isn't a passive machine, it's a responsive living system adjusting to your habits in real time. By the end of a short walking habit, the transformation is visible inside and subtly outside. Fat cells are smaller, energy is more readily available, and your internal signals are more synchronized. You may feel lighter, more alert, or simply more efficient in your movements. But the real change is the internal rewiring, the networks of communication that now function more optimally, even at rest. Walking isn't just physical activity, it's a language your body understands. As you reflect on this, consider, your body isn't broken, it's responding. Every walk you take is a signal to your internal systems, prompting adaptation, energy release, and intelligent fat utilization. You're not forcing change, you're guiding a conversation that's been happening silently for years. Walking is a dialogue, a gentle and profound way to unlock the body's hidden capabilities. What surprised you most about how your body responds to just 15 minutes of walking? Think about the hidden pathways, the signals, and the tiny particles moving inside you right now. Your body is far more intelligent and responsive than you realize, and each step is a message, a spark, a step toward transformation.